this is Nikki in Niagara coming to you from Niagara Falls, Canada. And today I have the latest Upcrate art supplies subscription box. This is the June 1. It says on the side, in case you're behind or your box comes early, you'll know what month it is. And so I'm just going to get right away opening it up. If you haven't been here before, I open up the box and then I color a picture using only the supplies within the box, trying to use as many as possible. So it opens up with a strip, so it opens up nicely. Got our box here, and just take a peek, see if there's... Okay, this is interesting. Now I can see some stuff underneath of this, so I'm just going to put this over to the side, and we're going to pick out the papers that are underneath, which seems to be a good majority of the box. This is going to be interesting. So here's our bottle post, which we're not going to look at until we need to. Oh no. I have a feeling that this is going to be pencils or ballpoint pen. So here's our print work, so we're obviously not getting any color. I have a feeling this one might not be suitable for coloring. Oh well, it happens. Once a month, if you have an Upcrate subscription box, once a month you get a Sketchers box, and that may be just what this is. So we have vinyl stickers. I don't really like vinyl stickers, but they are usable. And we have a sketch pad for all dry media. Snow White paper, pH neutral, age resistant, acid free, and it is a pad of paper. So, not much to do here. Got an eraser. No, it's going to be pencils. So this is a bit of a disappointment. So we've got a Factus extra soft dust-free eraser. And we have a little metallic ruler that goes up to 15 centimeters. This actually isn't going to be very useful for me because I do all my, even though I'm Canadian, I do all my measuring in inches. Let's see if it has it on the back. No, it's black. It'll be good for tearing paper though. And that's it, that's underneath. So inside we get we're getting micron pens. That's our specialty this week. So we get a graphite pencil, 2H, and we get some microns. I'll put my glasses on so I can, I don't have them with me. So we've got an O1. Is this the really tiny one? Yeah, so that's really tiny. That just is kind of silvery on it. I don't have my glasses on, so it's hard to read, but I'm just going to check this out on my paper to the side to see if it's black. Oh no, it's not. It's gray. Definitely gray. That's why the numbers are gray on it. So we got a gray O1. Black BR, that's a brush. Let's see the nib on it right there. I think, did I say once a month you get a Skechers box? If I said that, I meant once a year you get a Skechers box. Okay, so then we have a black .003, that's really tiny. Black 03, black, oh, is that black? I think that looks like it might be gray again. Yeah, this is a dark gray. .005, pretty tiny. And another light gray or silver even, I can't read what that says. I need my glasses, but it looks like it's very tiny. Yes, so these are all very tiny ones except for the brush. And this is just a German ad for something. Yeah, so I'm not going to be doing a coloring box. I'll just put these with my pencils and erasers, which I have a stock of. And I also have a lot of these. I can't see the gray ones being very useful to me. I do use the black ones in my coloring to draw lines, to go over lines, to add extra lines, to do frames around pictures that don't have one. Perhaps I could use the gray ones if I was... It looks like there's 3 shades of gray here on the bottom of them. It looks like there's a very light... They might be graphite. I wish I could read it, but I'm sorry I can't. Yeah, so I'm not going to come back because I'm not going to color a picture with teeny weeny little black and gray micron pens. A bit of a disappointment, I have to say, a lot of a disappointment, but I knew that I knew a box like this was going to come, and I hadn't received one yet, so it doesn't matter what you order. If you order Sketchbox or Art Snacks or Upcrate, I've ordered them all. Palette Full, I've had every box there is out there that's going. They all, once a year they give you a Skechers box, and once a year they give you an ink box for Inktober. So this kind of could be an ink because these are pigment inks. So anyways, I'll stop talking. This is the only video you're going to get for the art box this month, and yeah, sometimes you win and sometimes you lose, but it was expected, and I have high hopes for next month, which will hopefully be very colorful to counterbalance the very black and white of this box. Thank you so much for joining me, and until next time, bye-bye!